I see you. Amapiano vibes. Can I see you tonight? I've been counting all the days, thinking about your smiling face. Every road leads back to you. Tell me, baby, what should I do? The city lights are shining bright, but you're the only star tonight. Every beat reminds me to, my heart still runs to you. If you're feeling what I feel, tell me this love is real. One more moment, one more view. I've been waiting just for you. Can I see you just for a little while? Can I hold you? Can I see your smile? Every heartbeat calls your name. smile like the morning sun. Made me think we were the only ones. Every promise felt so real. Every word could almost heal. I gave my heart without a doubt. Never thought you'd leave me out. Now the silence says it all. I can hear the echo fall. Maybe I believe too much. Maybe I was chasing us. Now I'm stronger than before. I know what I'm living for. Fool me once, I let you go. Now I finally know. Oh, no more tears, no looking back. I'm finding my own track. Fool me twice, I draw the line. This heart of mine will shine. Oh, every step a brand new day. I'm dancing the pain away. Lessons written in the rain. Turn my sorrow into strength again. Every scar became alive, leading me through every night. Hey, I don't carry yesterday. I'm choosing hope along the way. Every ending starts anew. Now I'm living something true. No more hiding, no disguise. I can see with open eyes. Every heartbeat finds a song. I've been stronger all along. Fool me once, I let it go. Now I finally know. No more tears, no looking back. I'm finding my own track. Fool me twice, I draw the line. This heart of mine will shine. Every step a brand new day. I'm dancing the pain away. I'm dancing the pain ngikubona kahle ngamamatheka. Inhliziyo yami yashaya ngamandla. Ukukhanya kwamehlo akho kuyangihera. Wena uletha ukuthula emphefumulweni. Izinsuku ziba mnandi uma ukhona. Uhlebo lwakho luyingoma yami. Ngifisa ukuhamba nawe njalo. Sibhala indaba yethu ndawonye. Sondela kimi sithandwa sami. Ngizizwe ngisekhaya. Ungibambe ngesandla sakho. sikwala uthando lwakho, sizokwakha amafumu ethu ngokwethembana nangokuhloniphana, konke kuba lula uma sikanye. Inhliziyo yami yavuma noma imvula ingana ngaphandle, wena uletha ilanga kimi, ngizohlala ngikhetha wena usuku sonke zempilo yami. Uma ngidedela isandla sami, ngoba ngithanda ngenhliziyo yonke, masihambe ndawonye kuze kube phakade. Ngibambe duze, sibhale indaba yethu ngothando. Ngibambe duze, ngisondele kuwe, ngihlale ngithanda. Amapiano kuze kuze, ngibambe duze. Oh mama, ngihambe isikhathi eside, kodwa inhliziyo yami ayikhohlwanga. Ngiyabuya, ngiyabuya ekhaya. Ngahamba ngifuna impilo engcono, ngiphethe amaphupho esikhwameni sami. Izindlela zangifundisa ukubekezela, nobunzima bangifundisa ukuqina. Ngabona amadolobha nezibane ezinkulu, kodwa kukho kwakufana nelanga lasekhaya. Noma ngikude kangakanani, inhliziyo yami ayihlala kini. Tshelani umama ngabe sakhala, tshelani ubaba ngisamkhumbula. Vulani amasango, shandelani igceke, uhambo lwami seluyaphela. Ngiyabuya, ngiyabuya, ngibuyele ekhaya. Ngiyabuya, ngiyabuya, lapho inhliziyo yami khona. Ngiyabuya, ngiyabuya, ngiphethe izindaba zendlela, ngilindeleni ningangikhohlwa. Ngiyabuya ekhaya, ngiyabuya, 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 aphesheya kwezintaba. Ngiyabuya, ngiyabuya, ngiyabuya ekhaya. Ngikhumbula iphunga lemvula emhlabathini, nezingoma ezaziculwa kusihlwa. Ngikhumbula ukuhleka bomndeni, nomlilo wawusifudumeza ebusika. We traveled far to find tomorrow, but home remained inside my soul. Now every road and every lesson is finally leading me back home. Tshelani abangani simseleleni, tshelani omakhelwane bangilindele. Vulani amasango, shandelani igceke, indodana yenu yabuya. Ngiyabuya, 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 ngibuyele ekhaya. Ngiyabuya, ngiyabuya, lapho inhliziyo yami khona. Ngiyabuya, ngiyabuya, phethe sakhiwo kuphela, indawo lapho amukela khona, noma umhlaba ungakuyisa kude. Inhliziyo iyayazi indlela yokuya, sensendeleni ngiyabuya, ngaphesheya wezintaba, sensendeleni ngiyabuya, ulanyamasango, sensendeleni ngiyabuya, awu ngiyabuya ekhaya, sensendeleni ngiyabuya, nginothanda enhliziyweni, ngiyabuya, shayani izigubhu, sensendeleni ngiyabuya, sijabule, sensendeleni ngiyabuya, 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 ngibuyele ekhaya, ngiyabuya, ngiyabuya, ngibuyele ekhaya, lapho inhliziyo yami khona, ngiyabuya, angiseyange ngangikho, ngibuyela nginamandla nethemba, ngiyabuya ekhaya. Shelani nomama, shelani baba, uhambo lwami seluyafika, ngiyabuya, ngiyabuya ekhaya, ngiyabuya, ngiyabuya. Just you and me, Amapiano. Moonlight dancing through the room, every silence starts to bloom. Your smile feels like a gentle song. Right here is where I belong. Soft words floating in the air, simple moments that we share. No rush, no place we'd rather be. Just your heart beside me. Ibambe tuzonga dedele. This feeling is all we need. Every whisper, every smile makes the night worthwhile. Pillow talk till the morning light. Pillow talk, everything feels right. Dreaming with the stars above, wrapped inside a perfect love. Pillow talk, ooh, you and I tonight. Pillow talk, love drums calling, feel the groove. Coffee waiting with the dawn, holding on as night moves on. Every promise softly grows, like a flower that always knows. No matter where tomorrow leads, love is found in little things. Hand in hand we'll find our way. One more beautiful day. Gathandanjalo, gihlala ngikucabanga. When the sunrise paints the sky, our hearts I hear a melody calling me home. Every heartbeat finds the groove. Every step gives me a reason to move. The sky is white, the future's bright. We're chasing dreams into the light. With every smile and every cheer, the people I love are always near. When the rhythm speaks your name, don't be afraid to join the flame. Lift your voice, don't hesitate. Today is ours to celebrate. Stronger than the fear. The future's calling loud and clear. Step by step we'll find our way, living brighter every day. Oh, the love drums roll. Feel the music, fill your soul. Every voice becomes one sound. Joy and love are all around. Sabela, Sabela. Hear the beat and take your chance. The music never fades away. Sabela, Sabela. Together we welcome a brighter day. People at the corner, another day has begun. Workers and the dreamers, students on their way. Everybody's moving, chasing hope today. From Mercasi to the city, through the traffic traffic through the streets. Every window holds a story, moving to the log drum beat. Taxi man, taxi man. Nglelongi hambise. Taxi man, taxi man. Take me where my dreams are calling. Taxi man, taxi man. Ungangishi endleleni. The road is long but hope is strong. Siyahamba ekuseni. Hamba taxi man. Siyahamba taxi man. Hamba taxi man. Woza woza taxi man. Hamba taxi man. Woza woza taxi man. Hamba taxi man. Music through the speakers. Laughter fills the ride. Strangers become neighbors, sitting side by side. Every stop is different. Every face is new. But we share one journey and a better point of view. From Mikasi to the city, through the traffic, through the streets. Every window holds a story, moving to the love drum beat. Taxi man, taxi man. Dalugi hambise. Taxi man, taxi man. Take me where my dreams are calling. Taxi man, taxi man. Ungangishi endleleni. The road is long but hope is strong. Siyahamba ekuseni. Hamba hamba taxi man. Hamba kade taxi man. Hamba taxi man. Shaya ganade taxi man. Hamba taxi man. Siyafika taxi man. Hamba taxi man. Oh, siyahamba. Left, right, city lights, morning journeys, busy nights. One more corner, one more town. Log drum shaking all around. Hamba taxi man. Siyahamba taxi man. Hamba taxi man. Woza taxi man. Every road has meaning, every mile has worth. Carry all our visions across this hopeful earth. May the road be peaceful, may everyone arrive. Another day, another chance to keep the dream alive. Dalungi hambise. Taxi man, taxi man. Take me where my dreams are calling. Taxi man, unganishi endleleni. The road is long but hope is strong. Siyahamba ekuseni. Hamba taxi man. Taxi man, taxi man. Hamba kahle taxi man. Siyafika, siyaphila taxi man. Taxi man. Siyahamba. Amapiano, thula mabota, sizodlula namhlanje. Ngihamba izindlela eziningi, ngiphuphe ngishwa ubumnyama. many. Every setback made me stronger. Now my faith is lasting longer. Ngizwe sekuphusingibiza, ngiyathela ngingesabi lutho. Every dream is worth the fight. Morning always follows night. Woza sukuma manje, ungapheki emuva. The future's calling loud and clear. Your breakthrough time is here. Thula mabota, ngiyadlula. Nothing's gonna stop my way. Thula mabota, vula indlela. Today is my brighter day. Thula mabota, phansi saba. Lift your hands into the sky. Together we'll keep moving higher. Never giving up, we'll fly. Every heartbeat finds a rhythm. Every challenge builds the vision. Bona ukhanya phambili. Hope is shining endlessly. Abangabaza mababuke, ngisakhula ngisaphila. One more step and one more song. This is where I truly belong. Thula mabota, oh, vula indlela. The love drums keep us strong. We'll keep dancing all night long. Thula mabota, ngiyadlula. Nothing's gonna stop me now. Thula mabota, vula indlela. I'll make my family proud. Thula mabota, wonke umuntu. Sing together side by side. With courage in our hearts forever, we'll dance into the light. Wayekhona njalo kuwe ekuphatha ngenhlonipho, kodwa uzange ukubone. Wadlala ngenhliziyo yakhe, manje usehamba phambili, akasabheki emuva. Uthola amandla ngaphakathi, wakhetha ukuthula kwakhe. Wawucabanga uzohlala noma ungamnaki njalo, kodwa uthando lungaqinwa, luyahamba njengomoya. Uzozisola, uzozisola, uma umbone ekhanya. Uzozisola, uzozisola, uma engasabuyi kuwe. Uzozisola, uzozisola, lapho sekuthule endlini, wawunalo uthando lweqiniso, kodwa uluqinanga. Hamba, hamba, qhubeka, ungabheki emuva. Khanya, khanya, phakama, impilo isakubiza. Wayekhala buthule, kodwa manje useyahleka. Washiya konke kumdonsela phansi, wakhetha ukukhala kabusha. Akadingi ukusiphindisela, impumelelo iyamkhulumela. Izolo limfundisa amandla, namuhla uyazikhethela. Sekwephuzile ukumbiza, sekwephuzile ukumthembisa. Inhliziyo yakhe isiphilile, indlela yakhe isivulekile. Phakama sisi, ungalusaba, ikusasa lakho liyakhanya. Phakama mfowethu, qhubeka, okuhle kuseza ngaphambili. Uzozisola, uzozisola, uma umbone ekhanya. Ukukhanya emehlweni yakho kungenza ngimamatheke njalo. Uma isitofu duze nami, inhliziyo yami yadansa. Umoya uletha igama lakho njengengoma emnandi ebusuku. Ngifisa sihambe ndawonye, sibambe amaphupho ethu. Ungesabi ngibambe isandla, sizohamba indlela eyodwa. Uthando lwethu luyakhula njalo lapho sihlangana. Zisikhanyisela indlela, ukuhleka kwakho kwingoma engihlala ngikhula. Izolo selidlulile, namuhla siyajabula. Masibhale indaba entsha ethola uthando nethemba. Umkhulu uyasihlanganisa, izinhliziyo zethu zishaya kanye. Asidanse